We're here outside Terminal D. We're installing in a modular fashion the International Arrivals Corridor, otherwise known as the Sterile Corridor. This is a long structure that will connect all the way to our new pier, a new concourse that we are building. It'll be a new state-of-the-art wide-body gate concourse, and it's where all our international passengers will arrive. They'll go into this long corridor and connect into our federal inspection services. So it's a critical piece of the arriving passengers' journey, and is a huge step towards us opening our new international pier for our new international terminal opening in 2024. It's a significant piece of engineering and complexity. The reason we're doing it at night is because we have quite a complicated logistics route with which we have to follow, and that takes us down the airfield on the taxi lanes and the taxiways, and so obviously we have to do this after hours. Not only that, it's a much calmer, more peaceful, less busy environment. There's no operations, the building's empty. We're able to evacuate every portion of the building around where the lift is happening, which is critical from a safety perspective.
The crane is a 300 ton. It can erect 300 tons from without the sections on top. It can lift 300 tons just from the boom itself. Picking up these trusses, we've tried our best to minimize all the picks down below 75%. This one particular weighs, it's like 127 feet long. It's 127,000 pounds.
It's not only just lifting it and lowering it in, it's the, as I mentioned, the logistics getting it here, but it's even as simple as taking it off the transporter. You have to get a lot of alignment with the boom, with the cables, the right tension, making sure that the right distances. It's actually, when it's installed, it's at an elevated angle, so you have to lift it at that same elevated angle so that when you load into position, it lines up perfectly. It's an incredibly complicated, very delicate, yet high-risk maneuver. To get here has taken a huge amount of teamwork, collaboration and professionalism with our partners Austin Gilbane, their subcontractors, along with operations from HAS, the police even, and a lot of our partners and airline partners and who've been inhabiting the building and helping facilitate this great piece of not only engineering but teamwork. You know, another important element is, as we saw when we demolished the old Sea North, we changed the landscape and the horizon of IAH permanently, and behind us you see more structure going, and it's going to change the landscape.
Pleasure to be doing this. This is something that we've worked several months with ourselves, PMT, the airport. We've got a lot of meetings about this, a lot of coordination. It's great to finally be doing it. I'm sure the passengers will love it when it's done.
This is a huge step towards this new international terminal, and as we pave the way to become a 5-star air service gateway, you can't help but feel excited and about the magic of flying and aviation.